of the Republic of the Philippines, and that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily, without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. I further solemnly swear that at all times and places I will adhere closely to the ethical and professional rules generally accepted by the master planning profession in the Philippines. And I will well and faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties and obligations incumbent upon a legally authorized master plumber practitioner. So help me God. Congratulations.
Sa line, one line lang po, one line lang.
Saan ba talaga? Baka maling niya.